Hi, welcome to iTouch Store. My name is Shivakumar. So today's video we will be seeing like iPhone battery health. So in iPhone battery health you will be seeing a percentage 100%. Maybe after 6 months you might be seeing like 80%. Or if it is your battery, if it is 2 year or 2.5 year or 3 year old, then it will show service. So the service message, it is an indication to replace your battery. So Apple, they've recently announced right to repair. So right to repair is something like only like authorized service center, they need to replace the battery. Is there any way we can fix the battery? Yes, of course we can replace the battery, but option is you won't get that battery health indication. So we have done checked with almost all the models. So like iPhone X, XS, XS Max, XR, or 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, these models, when you replace the battery, so the battery health indication, it will show service battery. So why that is happening? Because so the moment when you lift the battery from your phone, so your main board indication, it sends an information that your battery has been changed. So there is no other program to fix this as of now. Though you fix a OEM battery or a original battery. So let's say if you are fixing an original battery, so still the battery health, it will appear service. So there is no changes in that. So if you fix a OEM battery, still the same, that the battery health will indication it will service battery. So it generally with the older software few months ago, so when you replace the new battery, so this will automatically your battery health will reappear. So now the case, it is not appearing, and so to do that there is only two options. Either you have to send the phone to an authorized service center and get the battery changed. If not, there is one more option wherein you can change it, but it is a risky option to do it. So I'll just recommend this to do that, because the second option, it is quite a difficult, and there in variation you may damage your battery, or there are chances this battery it get exposed also. So this part you can see, so this thing part you can see, so it is connected to the battery, and wherein there will be a 3 golden dots here. So this you have to carefully remove it, and you have to attach it with the battery which you are fixing. Maybe a different battery what you are going to fix on iPhone, like OEM battery or a original battery, the same thing you need to, this part you need to fix it. So this is the which is removed from an iPhone, and we have tried doing that. So that is quite a difficult option as of now. So Apple, they have announced recently iOS 14. So we are expecting on iOS 14 also the same indication will appear, and Apple, they have also announced recently that right to repair. So on the display also, display and battery. So right to repair is just simple as that. So we are not allowed to fix the iPhone screen or battery. It need to be done from authorized service center. If not, what if we service, or as an independent service center, if we fix an OEM display or a OEM battery, what will happen to the iPhone? So two things. One, when you change the battery, in the battery health, you won't see that indication, battery percentage, it won't appear. That is one thing. So in the display also, so in display there will be a flash message saying that this iPhone display is not to be verified as an Apple authorized display. So this kind of flash message it will give. This is an indication saying that this indication, it will show that, so you have fixed the display or battery from a private service center or independent service center. So that is what that indication is. Is there any major damage to your iPhone if you fix a OEM battery or iPhone display? Nothing will go wrong with your iPhone. Only that the message battery health, it won't appear. If you change the screen, so you will get a flash message saying that Apple is unable to verify this is an Apple genuine display. So this the message will appear. So probably we'll have to wait for the new update, and we have to check fixing again different screen, OEM screen or OEM battery, you'll have to wait and see. So Apple will they allow to fix their parts. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to our channel.